因为我那时候我才会
Alright, parrots, they are very intelligent birds. Some of them they can even talk and sing. And we have one such bird to show you. Coming right up, this is Philip, and he has kindly brought an Amazon parrot out for me. Or to be precise, this is the yellow named Amazon, and this bird over here, he can talk very well. So everyone, listen very carefully, okay? Alright, first of all, can you start by saying hello?
Hello.
Very well, very sweet hello. You know what? He has a name. Can you please tell us your name?
Amego.
Amigo. One more time. What is your name?
Amego.
Yes, his name is Amigo. Okay, Amigo is also a very polite bird. Okay, Amigo, please greet all these nice people.
How are you?
How are you? So how are you today? Fine, good, I hope so. Alright, you know what, Amego is also a very intelligent bird. He can count from 1 to 10. First of all, Amego will count for us in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you are, 1 to 10. Very clever. And now Amego will count once again, 1 to 10, but this time in Chinese. Yes, Amego, please count in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well, that's Amego, and another perfect 10. Right, Amego is also a very talented bird. He can sing 3 songs in 3 different languages. First of all, Amego will sing for us a Mandarin song. It's a children's song called Current Life. If I translate that, that means a guest comes to visit. Okay, Amego, sing us the song in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我一个人在做家，来自他。
There you are, word for word, current life. And now for the second song, Amego will sing for us a Malay song, Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. It's a love song, okay? Amego, sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang,
Hey, there you are, Rasa Sayang, sayang. Hey, very clever, Amego. Hey, everyone, look who's here. This is Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Good morning to you, Rocky. What's that, Rocky? What's up? You coming? What's that, Rocky? What's that? Really? Today? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, today is Rocky's birthday. Yeah, no wonder you look so happy. Yeah? Okay, now let me ask, is there anyone out here who is celebrating his or her birthday today? Please raise your hand. Is anyone birthday today? Birthday. You, is your birthday today? Very good. Okay. Some more, do I miss anyone here? No one? People from this side over here. Anyone birthday today? No one. Okay, for you and for you, Rocky, Amego has a song just for the two of you right over here. Okay, Amego, sing for them, please.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
all coming to the bird park. Okay, amigo has done very well. It's time for you to head back home now. Before you go, what must you say, amigo?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And bye-bye to you, amigo. Let's give him a big hand in the Thank you.